What's up, Southland? Mike from Deep South Computer Solutions here. Back with another, getting a lot of PlayStation HDMIs lately because I guess they're just bugging. So you need your Xbox fixed, need your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con swapped over, anything like that. Get in touch. first pop. Oh, fuck yeah. I am fucking good. I mean, jolly good, sir. I am very skilled with my soldering. Nah, hell yeah. Hey! Thanks, buddy. Hell yeah. Took a few days longer than I intended, but we got there in the end. Can't rush a good result, eh? Hell yeah. Need your console sorted? Deep South Computer Solutions. Check that out. 69. Nice. Sweet. Job done. Don't worry, that's my TV. I can clap it all I want. Right. Oh yeah, on to the next job. I've got a MacBook and I've got a frame of a laptop to fix. And I got a phone, part of a deal. I've got to fix a charging port. Like that. A couple other jobs coming in too. Fixed. Another one. Give me some more. Yeah, I could do like 50 of these. Come on, Invercargill, where's your broken consoles? Give them here. I'll fix them for you. Yeah. Oh, this is why I do this job. Feeling of satisfaction when bloody goes. Good. Could have been in the landfill. Huh? There you go, champ. Ordered.